In this video, I'll show you how to use Discord Webhook on your laptop easily. So let's get started. So to use a webhook, probably first thing you gotta do is, of course, go to your Discord server, and right here, as you see, that's like my Discord server that I'm gonna show you guys today. And you go to like any channel you have, like for example, I have a channel called Rules, and you're gonna click on Edit Channel, and yeah, when you can click on Edit Channel, you go into Integration, and over here you could click on Create Webhook, and you could create a new one. I'll name this one Rules, and you could also add a picture, which I don't want. And right here you have your webhook. So you don't want to do anything with it. You want to click on this button, copy webhook URL. We're gonna use it after. Now you click escape, and the next step is you go to your browser, any browser you have, and you want to click clear all if you don't want any of that. And this is where you want to control your webhook and what message is gonna send. So you're gonna want to paste the link that we copied in here. And if you have the content or you want to write something, you can say rules have to be followed. Yeah, and if you want to add more stuff, you could. So you can add a embed. So you click over here on this button, add embed. And when you click on it, it says it's empty, so I can now send the message. I can say the author, like I'll say rules. It's the author. The body is you have to follow. And anything, you could write anything. And when you get all of your stuff ready, you click send. Right, this button, this is so important. And when you click send, if you go back, you see that your webhook have posted embed, plus has posted the message that you written. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.